Oh fuck, bro. Holy cows! Hey, what's up, my beautiful people? I'm sorry to be here as a trespasser. I know I'm trespassing, but please just hear me for once, right? I'm here from Jamaica. I'm a distant traveler. I'm traveling from Jamaica to different countries across the world just for music, right? So I'm a little reactor, right? And I love music so much. So the reason why I'm here in Poland is because I've heard a lot of nice things about Poland. So with all the nice things I've heard about Poland, I choose to go the music way, right? And I've heard a competition is going on at the Eurovision 2024, and I've made my decision to come and to check out the Poland music, right? But one question to everyone who is watching now: do any one of you guys know Bob Marley? Please let me know in the comments. I'll be happy to have elaboration with you guys, right? He's from Jamaica, where I'm at now. Well, he was from Jamaica because he died. R.I.P. to the legend. Okay, so guys, right? I've met up on someone, right? She goes by the name of Luna. That song is called Amour, right? Slimane cover, Poland, right? So this will be a next reaction for me, right? So guys, without further ado, let's see what Luna is about in Poland.
Mon amour, dis-moi à quoi tu penses. C'était ça.
Oh wow! Oh wow! Oh wow! Wow! Bro, she's gorgeous. Her voice is so cute. Bro, beautiful female, bro.
Désolé si je te dérange. Mon amour, te souviens-tu de nous? Du premier rendez-vous.
Oh my god, bro. This can't be her real voice. This can't. Yo. Yo, this can't be her real voice, bro. Could never be her real voice, bro. Like, damn. Yo, she's superb.
C'était beau, c'était fou. Je t'aime, je sais pas pourquoi. Je joue la scène. Et c'est toujours la même femme qui raconte en tournant ton par la peine.
Yo, buka. Stunning. Absolutely stunning. Stunning voice. Stunning guitar playing. Oh. Yo, she's pumping it, bro. She's pumping it, bro. This is superb. This is marvelous.
On en fait quoi? Est-ce que tu m'aimes ou pas? Mon amour, je fais tout ce que je peux en osant dans le feu. L'impossible si tu le veux. Oh mon amour.
Wow. Buka, bro. Oh fuck. She's good. Yo, she's good. She's absolutely good.
Allez, reviens à Paris. Fais-le pour nous, je t'en supplie. Je l'ai promis, j'ai compris. Je t'aime, je sais pas pourquoi. Je joue la scène, mais c'est toujours la même femme qui recommande tout dont on parle à peine.
I have a question. Is she from Earth, bro? Is she a resident of planet Earth, bro? She could never be a resident of this Earth, bro. She's gotta be an angel, bro. Wow! Splendid voice, bro. Yo, she's splendid overall, but her voice mixed with that splendidness. She's an angel, bro. She's an angel, bro. Damn. Yo, she's an angel.
On fait quoi? Est-ce que tu m'aimes encore? Dis-moi l'endroit, je t'attendrai. Si tu viens pas, je t'attendrai.
Oh fuck, bro. Holy cows! Book up, bro. Book up. Astonishing voice, man. Bro, look at her. Just look at her.
C'est bête, je sais, je l'ai fait rire. Rempli d'espoir, je t'attendrai. Je t'aime, je sais pas pourquoi.
I'm absolutely done, bro. What angelic voice, bro. Oh my god, dog. Yo. She's terribly good. Wow. Yo. I never heard something so mesmerizingly beautiful, bro. Poland. You guys are really the best, bro. Trust me. You guys are the best.
Je joue la scène, mais c'est toujours la même femme qui recommande tout dont on parle à peine. On en fait quoi? Est-ce que tu m'aimes? Est-ce que tu m'aimes?
Mighty Jesus. Oh my goodness. You guys taste that, right? That's a sweet tasting music coming from Luna. Wow. Your music tastes so good. Buka, boo, boo.
Est-ce que tu m'aimes? Est-ce que tu m'aimes? Est-ce que tu
That one was really good. It was really and truly good. Guys, thank you so much, Poland. You guys done well. Like, guys, look here. If you guys want more reaction when it comes down to Luna, please subscribe for more. Hit that like button. And please share the content, right? To some of your Poland friends, right? I'll see you guys next time around. Damn, bro. She's good.